Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle. So if you are interested, join the family by subscribing. Make sure you click the notification bell as well so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And for those who are old, welcome back. And for today's video I'll be doing the henna treatment. This is my first time using henna and I'm going to be dropping my review at the end of the video, so don't stop halfway, go and watch till the end so you will get my review on how I feel about the henna and how it works on my 4C hair. So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorials for today. So to begin, I'm going to leave the brand of the henna I'm using right now on the screen because I don't know if I'll be pronouncing it correctly, and it contains 4 different herbs or ingredients which I'm going to leave on the screen as well because I can't pronounce all the words. It contains Amla, Hibiscous and Brahmi, and one other ingredient I cannot pronounce well. I'll leave everything on the screen and their uses. They said Amla helps to darken hair color, and the next ingredient makes hair luxuriant. Brahmin promotes hair growth, while the hibiscus rejuvenates hair, making it shiny and silky. So those are the benefits of the different ingredients contained in this henna, and I'm going to be dropping the next stage, which will be how to use. It's written on the pack. You just need to follow what is written on it and make your mixture out of it. So just listen. You said soak naptu henna for 4 to 6 hours to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on hair/hand. Leave on for 3 to 4 hours. Rinse off thoroughly with water. You can also enhance the effect of henna paste by adding vinegar and or lemon juice to the paste. Not only is this beneficial for oily hair, it also gives golden or copper highlights. So I decided to add lemon to this mixture to see if it was going to change my hair color. That's why I added lemon. So I went ahead and squeezed 1 lemon to get the juice, which I'm going to add to the mixture just to see whether my hair color is going to change as written in the pack. So right there I went ahead and used warm water. I did added some few Liptons into the water because I saw a couple of videos for those who were trying to use henna to color their hair. They went in with Lipton. I don't know the reason they gave. Instead of using hot water, they preferred using some Lipton. So I did that. This is just extra to see if I was going to get any color out of the henna, but it works as a hair treatment. I was doing it for a treatment video, not to color my hair. So I was just trying both ways to see if I'll treat my hair and at the same time if it was going to change my hair color in any way. So right there I'm going in, opening the pack to pour the henna powder into my bowl. The henna is really much. It can go for 2 separate mixtures if your hair is short, but since my hair is long, I did use everything in the pack. A little bit was left off at the end which could not go on someone else's hair, so my hair needs a pack of this. So I went in, you poured all the pack like I said. I'm going to pour in the warm water, and now I'm adding the lemon juice. I think I went in with a lot of water. The paste became a little bit lighter, but it was okay. So according to the pack, you're supposed to mix it and leave it for hours. So I left it for 5 hours, and after 5 hours, this is how my mixture looks like, ready to be applied. So I mixed it and set it aside from 12 noon, and this was about 5ish or 6 p.m. in the evening that I started the mixture to apply. So I went in, washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner while I was waiting for the henna to clock maybe 4 or 5 hours, because it was written in the pack that you should wait for at least 4 to 6 hours. So right there, I'm just showing you how clean my hair is. I went in and put my hair in twists, so it will be easy to apply on each of the sections. So that's what I did right there. This can be messy, because I saw a couple of videos, they were really insisting on the messy part of this whole henna, so I took my time to apply carefully. The good thing is, once you apply on your hair, it doesn't drip on your body or your skin. That's a good thing. So a couple of it dropped on the floor. I cleaned it later, so it was not messy like I thought from the onset. So that was a good thing, that it doesn't drip once you put on your hair, even though it looks like I was putting too much in each section, but it sticks on your hair, it doesn't drop. So yeah, right there, I'm just fast forwarding everything so you guys will see how the whole thing looks like. At the end of it, I went in, really did apply it section by section, and this is the finished look of it. I did apply and twisted the sections, and then I'm going to go in right now, as you see, with my plastic sealing wrap that I'm going to, I struggled with it, but I ended up using my wrapper that I use on my hands as gloves. I didn't have ready-made gloves at home. Just went in, one of the gloves I was using on my hand, the wrapper, I just plastic, but I just used it on my hair. Yeah, right there. And yeah, improvised. So I went in, added my shower cap, and you see me dancing because the whole process was successful. So it took a while to rinse off the henna on my hair, guys. It was so strenuous to rinse it off, but I finally did and put my hair in bigger twists. I didn't film that part because it was already late at night. When I finished rinsing my hair, I saw traces of red color on my edges, most especially. But next day I got up, my hair was a little bit brownish in few areas, not so much, but I guess it went away when my hair got dry. And this is how my hair looked the next day after unraveling the twist, guys. So henna prevents dandruff, help reduce itchy scalp by nourishing it. It also acts as a conditioner to repair hair damage. It prevents your hair from getting too frizzy and dry, because one of the ingredients says it provides your hair with shine and silkiness, so that's why. And some people use it as hair color. So henna aids in making hair bouncy, glossy and healthy if used on regular basis, say twice a month. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.